Okay, let's grab some food first.
Okay.
And then we are going to book tours for tomorrow and then the day after tomorrow.
Okay.
That's the harbor, I guess, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go down. Do you have menu? There are some green cheese and pasta. Coffee.
Strong and sweet. Nice.
And mine is mango.
That looks good as well.
Curry rice. And what is this fish?
Lupa lupa.
Lupa lupa sweet and sour sauce. What we order.
It's like,
It's going to be our lunch.
it's kind of grouper. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's like, yeah, local fish. So it's fine.
Okay, let's dig in.
Because you see the depth, just think about it. Everything below 20 meters, only advanced divers can go 20 to 30 meters. So that's why this one. And she said this one is covered in coral, so it's really beautiful. Right? Yeah. Time to fill out. It's not fun, but we have to do. Wow, visiting convenience store. They're so tiny. They are really small. Ice cream?
Oh yeah, this one.
That's good.
Do you have this? Is that strawberry, right? Strawberry.
Isa dito yung strawberry te.
Yeah. Strawberry? Is
Yeah.
it strawberry? Ay, this one? No, what one? This one. Ay, rocket jelly? No more, mom. Only this one is there. Yeah, yeah. Strawberry, right? Like this one used to be jelly time, right? Yeah, it's like a jelly time. Yeah, right? You want to try this one? Or you want to share one?
Yeah, why not? Share is okay. What did you get?
I get this cheese ring. Pillow. And this is, they call rocket jelly. But used to be, like I tried a jelly top. It makes like a very jelly ice cream. But they don't have it, but they say it's similar like jelly top, so.
Alright, let's go. Seriously?
Nice weather, right? 이렇게 투어에 대한 프라이리스트가 어디든지 다 있습니다. 오, 예쁘다. 이런 거. 갑자기 코리안 레스토랑 찾아가지고.
Jeju style, no?
와, 이렇게
치킨
메뉴가
야키토리?
있습니다.
Soju 300 peso.
300 peso? 그러면 거의 7, 8천 원 정도? 오, 지금 we found a like cheapest place for tour B. We are thinking to the tour B.
Cheapest is not always the best.
Yeah, that's true. But we can ask.
There is a reason.
It include pub drop, picnic lunch, drinking water, tour guide, both fee, all entrances. And it's actually pretty good. Do you want to go and check and ask? Hello. Oh, thank you.
Firstly, a tour?
Yep. We are actually looking at a tour B. Yep.
It's still available for tomorrow. 1,250.
So here is cheap because like they take up to 20 people, but right now they only have a 3 people booked for tour B.
And just keep a pin on it in case.
Okay. They open till 10, so we'll see. So technically we have a lot of options. Oh, there's another tour.
No, let's go a little bit further.
Okay.
Smith,
Wow, this place is 1,200.
Astria. Wow, there is Korean restaurant again.
Korean restaurant everywhere. Let's have plain mango.
Yeah.
12 ounces.
Sikoa.
Yep. I have,
You have 10?
yeah, I have 10. You tell me.
And one mango plain. Small size.
Just want to give you 10. Oh.
Oh, trash can.
It's good.
Thank you.
Thank you, bye.
She was laughing.
Yeah. Is that good?
어, 좋다.
어, 좋다. 1일 1 망고 해야 돼.
아니. Later. Buy one, get one free. Wow.
아,
You can tell. Wow.
the mango jumbo. Oh, can we get some mango here? Can we get some mango here?
You want to bring it back to room or what?
Yeah, I want to get some mango to back to the hotel.
Yeah. On
Yeah.
the way back?
Yeah.
Where do we go?
Let's go get some dinner. 오, 프리다이빙 코스가 있어.
What do you want?
Let's see over there. Yeah, we can take a look, baby. Hello. Oh, we can actually sit inside like this. Yeah, not bad.
So that means it's clean, right?
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
Can you open mine too? Thank you.
Okay.
짠.
The classic, right?
Yep.
The original
This is the classic
sandwich.
one. Good.
Yeah. Nice. Very nice.
You should dip in the sauce. Good.
Thank
Thank you. Smells good.
Good? Yay. Wow. That's
Good,
good.
right? This is one of my favorite Filipino food.
That's a good idea to do an omelette out of the eggplant.
I think you can make this.
But the eggplant looks very
Now it's same.
same as Korean one. 맛있어요. I kill it by myself.
Kill it.
Dessert. 뭐야?